Hi all, welcome back to another video. Today, let's see how to create an article inside the knowledge module. For that, let's open the knowledge module. So, we're going to create a new article. This is an example for our article. Now, to create a new one, just click on the create here on the top right corner. So, once you click create, a new creation window comes. So the first thing which we have to do is provide a heading and also a title for the article. So I'm giving a heading as sample, and if you don't give any title, the heading will be taken as the title also. So if you want, you can change it. I'm changing it as article. Okay. Now, if you just move your pointer on top of the heading, you can see add icon and add cover. Just click on add icon. A random emoji is generated as the icon. Now, if you're not satisfied with this emoji, you can just click on the emoji and you have plenty of options to choose from and change it. So I'm changing it. Okay. Now, again, if you go on top of the window, there you can see add cover. Clicking on that allows you to upload an image as the cover photo. Okay, so this is the main part. Now, if you want to give the content of this particular article, you can normally type and give the content, like I'm giving a message as good morning. Now, if you click slash on the keyboard, a drop down will appear. Now, from this drop down, you can choose how the input should be. Now, I'm choosing this bulleted list. What happens is that I'm clicking as hello. If you click enter, the next input will also be in bulleted list. Good morning. Okay. Now I'm clicking enter and clicking slash. So this is how you enter input as bulleted list. Next is numbered list. I'm selecting numbered list. Now our input will be numbered. I'm just giving the same thing. Hello. Good morning. So that's it. Now, this is how you put numbered input. Again, you click on the slash. You have checklist there. Giving the same input. Okay. So here you have the checklist. You can check it. Okay. You can check it out. Now, the next type is the table. So, you're clicking on the table. You can create input in tabular form. So, you have this icon over here. If you just click on that, you can insert a row above or below. So, I'm clicking insert below. One more row is inserted. Insert left, insert right, and all can be done. Okay, so this is a table. Now you can enter data inside the table here. Okay, so this is how you enter input in form of a table. Now we have separator. This is the separator. So I'll show it here, then you will understand easily. Here I'm choosing separator. So a separator comes from the heading and the body. So wherever you want to separate it, you can use a separator using the slash command. Next is the quote. If you want to add any block quotes and all, you can add it here. So I'm adding it here. Next, we have code. If you want to insert any kind of code. So the font have changed. I'm giving it as print hello. So code also can be inserted here. Next, we have 2 columns, 3 columns and 4 columns. If you want to input data in form of 2 columns, I'm giving hello here. Everyone here. Okay. This is in form of 2 columns. Now, if you want 3 columns, you have 3 columns here. If you want 4, you have 4 here. Okay, so you can enter data in form of 2 or 3 or 4 columns. Next, we have remove columns. So all the columns are removed and it have come one by one, one below one. Now we have 3 kinds of headings. This is the format section where we have 3 kind of headings, which is heading 1, 2 and 3, that are headings in different types. Now let's see what are the 3 different types. So I'm giving it as, sorry, I didn't choose. Heading 1. This is the first size, which is big. We'll choose the second one and third one. So we have 3 kinds of headings, which is heading 1, 2 and 3, small, big and medium. Next, we have switch direction. Okay, clicking on switch direction. I'll give something like Odoo, and there I'm giving switch direction. The direction has switched and it have gone to the other end of the window. Okay, so again I'm giving switch direction. It has come back. Now we have text, that is we can enter paragraphs over here. We have image and article. If you want to insert an image, you can just click on the image and insert one, and also an article can be inserted. Here you can choose the image. So I'm just choosing one image, which is this. An image is inserted. See? Now, I'm choosing an article. So from here you can choose any of the article which is pre-created. I'm choosing this article and inserting the link of that article. So once you click help, it will take you to the help article. Now let's go back to our article. Next, we have link, button, appointment and calendar. Now link, I'm giving a link here. Hello. I'm giving the shop as link. And you can choose what the view is. Here you have the preview as well. Now if you choose link, it will be like this. Primary will be like a button. Secondary will be like this one, just giving link here, saving it. So a link is given. Now you can add a button also. Click me. Here also I'm giving shop and the button. You can choose the size of the button. Large, small, medium. I'm choosing medium. This is small. Choosing. And the style of the button also can be specified here. You have different styles. So I'm giving default style and saving it. Here we have the button. Next, we have appointment and calendar. If you have any appointment and all, you can put it here. Okay. You can choose that from here and insert the link. I'm choosing one. Insert link. Link is inserted. Same way we have calendar also. Appointment is added there. Now if you want to insert ratings, you have 3-star ratings, 5-star ratings and all. And you can do a rating like this. Next we have item list, index and all. Item list is, I'm going to manage the item list like this. You can give the name here and the items will be given here. Now we have the index. So this is the index. We have item Kanban. Now this is in a list view. The Kanban view will be seen there. See, there's nothing inside that. That's why it's not showing anything. We have outline also. Then we have table of content. You can choose all these things, which this will lead us to some other places. So sample will take to the top portion of the table. This hello will take you to this 3 headings. This one also to the second heading. So this is leading us to the headings which are present in our article. We have file. If you want to embed a file, you can do that. From here, you can choose any and embed it. You have template. You can add a template from here, and inside the template also you can write whatever content you want. And last, you have the signature. So these are the things possible inside an article, and this is how you create an article. Now, if you want to change the location of the article, we know we can just drag and drop it to the desired location. So I'm putting it under help. Okay, so this is how you create an article. That's all for today's video. Thank you.